Hi, today we're going to take the unboxing review look at MAKE-iT Blitz FiREMAN and Construction Worker 2-piece set, which is CK brand little mini fitters. So yeah, well, I picked it up at the dollar store. Now they said that they're compatible with like Legos and Meta blocks and anything else. So, yeah. So let's open them up and take a look at the. Now they don't call them mini fitters; they call them block fitters, construction block fitters. So yeah. Let's take them out. Let's take a look at them. This one being the FiREMAN. What does he have for accessories? What pops off? Stuff. Feet pop off. Well, not feet, but the legs be popping off. And you can pop them in. Head pops off. For his accessory, he just has a little backwards hard hat. Put it front way. It's just, my hard hat that, kind of gets in the way of my eyes. No one can see that I have eyes. You just see that I got a little type of face. But oh yeah, for the bankers, man. What's this? 75. Oh wait, gotta do my job. I'm a firefighter. Yep. What was I thinking? So yeah, arms opposable. You can move them up, down. You can move them in and out, which is pretty cool. Because on a standard Lego minifigure, they just go up and down. You can't move them in and out to do little waves and stuff. The hands can rotate, which is nice. The legs do bend, and you can bend one leg back to about. Actually, the legs do not bend backwards. They just kind of sit there. You can make them do somewhat of the splits, but not completely the splits. They go a lot more forward for sitting, but backwards motion, nope. So let's put him down. And let's take a look at the construction worker. Which I don't know why, but this one is more construction work than this one. And the hard hat, I don't know. But same thing. Hard hat's removable, legs are removable, same movement, just different helmets, different face sculpts, different paint on the chest for the little vest that they're wearing. And let's put out an actual official Lego minifitter. This is from the Lego Dimensions series. So let's pop him off. Let's see if these ones could pop on. And yeah, it pops right on. And you know what? Let's swap some parts. Let's take the little hard hat.